Good morning, people, and I literally mean it. I mean, this is like 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, working in the dark inside, but that's not a problem. As I said, I'm prepping the bike for something, and as you can see, the handlebar. Yeah, I've had an incident some time back. Nothing major, but the bar is again bent. So this is like my fourth handlebar. So bought a new one. Uh, Stock price and part number are here, and I have also this time, just out of curiosity, bought this accessory Royal Enfield handlebar. Now this is quite wide, so that should help for the people who are interested. I'll show you in a sec. Let me get this one out. So not by much, but as you can see, almost about an inch. Yeah, that's adding about 10 inch on both the sides. But I won't be putting on this one as of right now. The problem being this needs some work because it just comes with caps on this side and it does not have the nuts so that I can put in the handlebar weight or even the what do you call them, knuckle guards. So that has to be put in, so I'll be using that at a later point. So the installation of this maybe I'll do at a later point, but right now what I'm interested in, this bracket, this stress bar. So I'll be removing this and putting it on that one. As I said, I'm in quite a bit of a hurry. A lot of things need to be done at 3 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, let me open this. This is going to be an easy fix, and it is going to require an H5 Allen key. So let me open these two Allen screws. And yeah, so these are out, and as you can see, blue Loctite has been used. So yeah, I'll be making sure that I put that. And yeah, the price for this was about 2,500, so it's almost 5 times of the stock one. But as I said, as of right now, I'm just interested in this. So this has come off after opening these screws. This is gonna slide out easily, so that goes there. Same for this. So yeah, this one is out. This we'll be putting in at a later time. I'll see if I can get something welded. Now let's slide these back into the new one. Isn't that hard? Just have to rotate it, but yeah, that will still lead to some scratches. So no issues there. They did slide in quite easily. Now just have to adjust this. Shouldn't be a problem. Of course, later on I'll be applying. You get the point. Loctite, but yeah, this is how this is gonna go in. Maybe add to the strength just in case. Well, anyways, let me put this assembly back in completely. So yeah, there we have it, has been put back. Now this will be going up, and I can even show you now how the handle has been bent inwards. So if you compare, here it is very close, and if you see there, you see the distance here. So this will be going in now. I have already done a complete one on how I changed the handlebar the last time. So I'll be putting in a link in the description and somewhere on the top of the screen as well. And let's put this back in. So as I said, a detailed video has been done, but just to recap in brief, so what you need to do is do not loosen these at first. Just first loosen this 10 mm, that 8 mm for the brake. Then start loosening the screws for the accelerator or on the other side. These are the screws that you will come across. Now this is for where you have the choke and the clutch side. And now these 3 screws, one short one, this one and this long one, these are for the ones that are on the accelerator side. This has come off. Now at the end we'll be opening these. And as mentioned by a very good mate in one of the videos as well, that these do come in very far, I mean too much torqued, beyond spec to an extent. So you are going to need to apply a lot of pressure the first time, but after that it's pretty easy. So let me open these. You get the idea. Once this is out, the handle will slide out easily towards that side, so I don't have to completely remove that. I've just loosened it so that it can slide out. And I'll slide the handle back in this way, then mount this here, these 4 Allen keys, and then start the rest of the assembly. Small thing that I needed to mention, while putting this, just clean it off with a rag. I've seen some people grease or put in oil on the inside or anywhere. Don't do that. That is just going to make things worse in the longer run. Just clean it as well as you can. Looks shiny and new. So I'll be putting this back in close to the reassembly. So there you have it. That is how it has been put. Things are slightly loose. They will be tightened when I properly adjust it. As I said, this is how it looks from this angle, but this was not beautification part. I hope it serves its purpose. I'll show you later why I say that. And as for these, the one that has come off, this one, the weight difference is a lot. I mean, of course, this being aluminium is light. This is very heavy. I'll put it on later once I have done all the welding things bit sorted at the end, so that I can also use the bar and weights as well as the knuckle guards. But let me show you what I mean. Let's add it to the collection. Now these all are gonna go into the wall of shame, considering how poor I am at riding, and I keep bending these. One of these is the stock one, I think that was it, that came with the motorcycle. Then this was the second change. Now this here is the last one that I've just changed. I thought there was one more, but these are all I can find, and you can see not aligning in properly. Some are bent from this side, some are bent from this side, but well, hopefully that is why I needed that stress bar. Maybe that will make things better, and hopefully I will not fall this time. So that was it. Now another thing will be coming up. I have the tires resting there, so I need to change the tires. That will be done today itself. I am not sure when the video will get edited and uploaded, along with the spoke adjustment kind of tightening bit. I won't call it throwing, it's a DIY at home, along with some other things. They will be uploaded soon. Thanks, bye.